Give it up for Russell! Russell, my man, napatayo mo na naman ang judges natin. And good news, napatayo mo rin si Boss JR na nandito nanonood ngayon. You like it, Jay? All right, but you have no rules here. It's all the judges, all right? Anyways, ngayon pakinggan naman natin ang komento ng judges kasi sila talaga ang magde-decide. Anyways, umpisahan natin kay Kuya Aga.
Oh, Russell, thank you. Thank you for that song. You know, I just want you to know, and your fans and your followers to know, that kaya rin kita nilagay sa bottom 3 because I wanted you to shine and prove yourself tonight. This is an opportunity for you because since the auditions and up to now, you'd always perform with the group. And people know na malakas ka talaga at magaling ka, but now, game over. For me, it's game over. Really, it's game over.
Thank you very much, Kuya Aga. Yeng?
Russell, kagabi sinabi ko sa'yo na gamitin mo ang pagkakataon ito para ipakita ang sarili mo at mag-shine ka. At iyon ang ginawa mo. So, salamat.
Thank you po.
Alam mo, pinaka nagustuhan ko rin dito kasi pinili mo yung Tagalog na kanta.
Pinapilagay ko si Vice.
Oh, Englishero ko eh. Alam mo yun?
Happy ako agad doon nalaman kung Tagalog. Sinigaw
Oo.
ko sa Aga, yung Tagalog. Yun lang.
Totoo.
Dami mong sinabi,
kasi-
yun lang pala.
Kasi di ba, Englishero ko eh. Pero the fact na pinili mo yung Tagalog song, is ibig sabihin talagang sinasabi mo sa amin na kailangan nyo ko sa Pinoy boy band superstar.
Thank you very much, Yeng. Maraming salamat, judges.